Hey there, Andrew here with PastorBlogs.com, and in this tutorial we're talking more about forms and services. So most of our base websites, our templates that you select on sign up, they come with just a regular contact page so people can get in touch with you. But maybe you're like me, and part of what you do is you help other pastors, you help churches discover who they are and make sure they're efficient, make sure they're doing what they're called to do. And so I have like some services that I offer when I work with churches. I'm on andrewpeters.cc, and I'm on the Work With Me page if you want to look at how that kind of works. And so I have some of the services I offer here, and then I have taken the contact page or the contact form on the back end, and I've just added some fields to it so that I'm able to get more information, and I've listed my services here so that they can select what they're interested in. And I've added all these fields. It's really simple to add it. And so we're going to look at how I did that. So let's go to my dashboard. On my dashboard here, there's an area for forms, and I am going to click on forms here, and this is going to bring up a list of the forms that I am using on my website. And the first thing I do, let me see here. I'm going to open this in a new tab so I can see which one it is. This is just my basic contact form. So this is probably what most of you already have on your contact page on the website. And so I'm going to go back. Obviously, I just duplicated that. So to start, what I do is I duplicate the form, and that's what the contact us to here is. And so if I go edit this, it should be the form that I am. It's not. Oh, here it is. The schedule a call form, of course. And so what I've done here is I've just taken these fields that are over here. You have different fields that you're able to select from that you need people to fill out. For example, like this is a paragraph field, and over here it's paragraph field. And right here I'm interested in, this is a drop down field, and so I just drug this drop down field over here. Let me X that out. And I click that little down arrow, and it brings up some of the options I have. And so I have added different options here. I've made it required. And so that lets them select what kind of service they want. Basically, you can come in and you can select the fields that you want to be there, and you can click update. And in the settings, you can go to form settings. And this is lets me change it from where the other one was like contact to. I've called this one schedule a call. And I've given the description as we use this form as a baseline for what you are looking for. It helps us prepare for our first phone call with you. My confirmations. My confirmation is, this is just a default confirmation. When someone fills this out, I like for it to say, thank you for filling out the form. We'll be in touch soon, Andrew. And so I would save that confirmation. The other thing you can do is you can redirect people to a page on your website. So maybe you have a thank you page where it's like your url.com/thank you, and you've made a page just for that. And so you can select the page that they're redirected to once they fill out the form, or you can redirect them somewhere altogether. Maybe it's another form on another page on another site. And I'm going to leave it at text, and I'm going to click save. Notifications is you. So when someone fills out the form, I get an email alert, and I basically have all fields right here. So this is what it comes as automatically. The email is just all the fields that were filled out, and so that sends that information to the email that I have right here. For most of you, this email will probably say like admin email. It'll probably look similar to this right here. And so let me go back to that page. So say you're working just on the contact form page. I'm going to go back to work with me, and I'm going to go into the page builder, the contact page. This is going to bring up the page builder interface for you to work with. Of course, you can use all this to add the services that you offer here or whatever you need to. And then down here, of course, is the form that you're going to have on this page. And you can see my form is schedule the call. I can change it. Yours probably started out as contact us. And you can change it to, if you just edit the contact page, all these fields will update automatically. But if you make a new form for your services that isn't related to them contacting you, you'll have to come in here and click the select the correct form that you want and save it. And one thing I'm planning on adding very soon is the ability for them to actually schedule the call right there. So when they click schedule a call, it'll take them to my my online booking calendar, and they'll be able to select a date there. Maybe that's something that you want to offer. If that's you, let me know, and I will talk with you about the best tools to use for something like that. I want to make sure that your pastor blog is a success and that it's generating the type of traction that you're looking to create. Let me know if that's something that you want to talk about, or if you're running into any issues with the page builder here on like adding your forms or adding your specific services. I'm looking forward to helping you. Just make sure you hop over to the back end on your dashboard, click on give feedback, and this will bring up a form for you to give us feedback or report the bugs and issues or the questions that you have as well.